just about to get out. Let's see if it's hot. Oh, what? It is freaking boiling out here. I reckon it's almost 40 degrees. My legs, the lens are starting to fog up. Wow. You can see my face how red it's gone already. It is so hot here. Right, let's get a taxi where it's air conditioned, then we'll make our way there. Yo, I finally made it to the hotel. This hotel is freaking sick. I don't know if you can see, but this whole area here is reception. Like, this is reception. It's like a little bit part here. But this is like, oh my god. Sofitel Dubai Palm. Big thumbs up. So far, so good. It's awesome. Oh, alright. Because you guys, I'm in the toilet area. I know you guys don't think it's weird, but if you walk in, like, what the hell? This is, like, that's the entrance, and you walk in, and then this is before, like, the toilets are over there, but don't worry about that. Yo, we have made it to where the pool and the beach are. Look at this view, boys. Look at this freaking, everything's closed. If you guys can see, it's fenced off here. Because it is like 6:30 in the morning, everything is closed. But I'm gonna go for a walk anyway, and work out where everything is. It's like, these are all restaurants on the beach here. There's 6 pools here. 6 pools. There's a water slide here. Wow. Alright, look. Water slide, pool. Another pool there, another pool. Another pool, pool again. There's legit just endless amounts of pools at this hotel. I'm about to go in the pool, cool down, and then find a towel to lie down and sleep. Like I said, it was hot. It is currently 38 right now, and it's 8:16 in the morning. This is sick. I love the heat, so I love it, yeah. Alright, just go to the water. I am freaking wrecked. Let's go to sleep.
1 eternity later.
I woke up 10 hours later. I'm not even kidding you. I slept in the room for about 6 hours at least. We both just slept. Now we're on the way to the mall. Yo, alright, we've just made it over to the mall. Now we're gonna go inside, get some food because I haven't eaten all day. I'll catch you guys once we're inside. The food's just come. Oh, sliders, chips, and Alyssa got nachos. Good nachos. Alright, so we need to eat this up, get some money out, and go shopping. You know what they have at the mall? They've got an indoor snow center. If you guys can see, this is a freaking indoor snow center. Like this, it's huge as well. Yo, we are back. We are in the supermarket now. We're just getting, these are really healthy. We haven't got a hotel room, so we haven't got a kitchen, so we can't get like normal food, which is annoying. Don't want normal food. So we'll have to eat Oreos in the morning because I want Oreos. Alright, got my Sprite. I want a large Sprite. Large is freaking huge, so as big as my head here. For now we're leaving, got everything that we needed, got to the supermarket, got all our stuff. Now we're heading back to the hotel, and then we're going to chill out. I need to edit a video. I haven't edited a video for like 2 days, 3 days. I was supposed to do it yesterday on the plane like I said, but yo, fuck, we've made it back to the hotel. Look at all these hallways are. Watch this. They actually just wrap around. They're sick. I can't really yell because there's rooms like everywhere. This is our room. Guys haven't seen it at all. That's this is my bed. This is the outside. Oh my god, my camera is gonna fog up. This is the view we have outside. This is just like the lane area. Tennis court is over there. What the hell? Everything is fogging up. Tennis court is over there. This is the main lobby and everything is there. This is the view we have at night, as you guys can see, of the city. It's hard to see because there's so much, because it's in summer, I don't know, it's so hot. There's so much like thing in the air and it's hard to see all the city. But that's just part of the city. I'll show you guys today, but this camera, I keep telling you, keeps fogging up. It's so annoying. Alright, that's better. Alright, so now we can head back to the room. I don't know what's going to happen, the way I'm going to divide the vlog up. I don't know if I'm going to do the business class section by itself and then divide today's vlog at 1 by itself. I might do that, maybe. I don't know how much footage I have. But yeah, for now, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. If you guys have enjoyed today's video, smash the thumbs up button. We are in Dubai, boys. We are hitting it up here. 5 days here. This hotel is sweet. Sofitel, very good job. The hotel is awesome. Yeah, like I said, if you guys have enjoyed it, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe for more daily vlogs, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Peace.